Hello everyone. Our today's topic is LSMW. Now what is LSMW? LSMW stands for Legacy System Migration Workbench. As the name itself suggests, you are migrating the data, you are migrating the legacy data into the SAP system. Legacy System Migration Workbench means you are migrating the legacy data into the ABAP workbench or into the SAP system. So LSMW stands for Legacy System Migration Workbench. It is the purpose of transferring the data or migrating the data from legacy to the SAP system. The system other than the SAP system is called as the legacy system. We have already discussed the topic BDC. BDC also has the purpose to transferring the data from legacy system to the SAP system. Now we have LSMW. Now LSMW has the same purpose. It is used for transferring the data from the legacy system to the SAP system. Now in SAP for LSMW we have the transaction code, that is LSMW. Now this is the initial screen of LSMW, Legacy System Migration Workbench. Now what we will do, now what is our current requirement? We will change the description of the materials in SAP with the help of LSMW. What is our current requirement? In this current requirement, we will change the description of the materials with the help of LSMW. So in LSMW, firstly you have to create project, sub-project and object. Now how to create this? So for that you have to go for edit button, create entry. Now I am creating a project. So suppose my name of the project is Z_MM02. MM02 is the transaction code which is used for changing the materials. Now I am using this LSMW for changing the description of the materials. Suppose my name of the project is Z_MM02. Now suppose description is to change the materials. OK button. It's already exists, so I am providing some another name. Suppose ZMM02_ suppose CHG. OK. Now I am creating a sub project Z_MM02_CHG_sub. Suppose description is sub project for changing the materials. Okay. Suppose my name of the object is Z_MM02_CHG_ suppose OBJ. This is object for changing the materials. Okay. Now we have given the project, sub-project and object in LSMW. Now we click on this continue button. Now see, these are the various steps in the LSMW. Now these are total 20 steps. Now we are total 20 steps. Now we will click on this execute button and we will go for first step, that is maintain object attributes. I am going for first step. I am going for display or change mode. I am going for the change mode. Now see, in LSMW we can perform the LSMW by 4 methods. First one is standard batch or direct input. second one is batch input recording, third one is business object method, and fourth one is IDOC that is intermediate document. Now in this we will discuss batch input recording. So we will go for this second radio button, that is batch input recording. Now I am clicking on this. Now I am going for this recording button. Click on this recording button. Now I am click on the create button. Now firstly I have to provide the name of the recording. Now suppose my name of the recording is Z_REC_MM02. Description is recording. Description is MM02 recording. Okay. It's already exists, so I am providing suppose Z_REC MM02. Now I am creating this recording for MM02 transaction code because I want to change the description of the materials. Suppose my name of the transaction code is MM02. Okay. Now this is the screen of MM02. Suppose I am providing the material, suppose 88, and I am pressing enter. I am going for basic data 1. Okay. Now I am saving it. Now this is the recording. Now in this case we have to change the description of the materials. So two things, material number and material description will be coming from the legacy system, or will be coming from the PC, or will be coming from the desktop. So what we will do, we will provide these two values from the legacy system. So how to provide? We have to click on this default. And second one is our material description, that is this one, MAKTX default. Now what it will do, whenever we are uploading the data from the Excel, or whenever we are uploading the data from the text document, it will take these two fields it will consider these two fields are coming from the text document. So we have to take these two things as default. First one is our material number and second one is our material description, because our requirement is to change the description of the materials. So we are taking these two fields are coming from our Excel or are coming from our text document. So I am providing the default value of these two. Now I am saving it. Click on the back button. Now provide the name of the recording here, Z recording MM02. Now I am saving it. Now I am click on this back button. See, in the initial we had total 20 steps in LSMW. Now we left with only 14 steps, because in case of batch input recording, that is second radio button, we only have to perform 14 steps. Rest we will continue in the next lecture or next section.